Hi, welcome back to Burton's Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. In this series, I will be running through Hubdoc. The first of the series is how to connect Hubdoc to Xero account. My next series videos will highlight the troubleshooting, so if things aren't connecting, why that may be, and how to then fix them. So do follow along for the series in case you're having any difficulties when connecting your Hubdoc. So starting on Xero account, what we need to do is find out whether we've ever connected Hubdoc before. So we click on your name on Xero and then click into settings. And then we go across and click on connected apps. And this is where we're going to find out if we've ever connected Hubdoc before. We may have forgotten the email address that we've previously used, or we may have potentially bought this company and this Xero account came with it. So we just need to double check whether there is a Hubdoc connected here. As you can see, Hubdoc is not in the listed of apps, therefore there's no Hubdoc connected. So that is a great step. Then what we want to do is actually connect Hubdoc. So clicking on the name of our account again, and then going down to do more with Xero and then clicking on Hubdoc. What you should then see is the screen in front of you. You know this is the first time you're connecting because it is highlighting the terms and conditions of Hubdoc. So you need to scroll down and click I agree to Hubdoc terms and conditions, and then click set up Hubdoc. Now, the next section I'm going to show you is actually particularly more for practice companies, so it might not look similar for you. But I am not new to Hubdoc, and so what I need to do is click on already have an account. If you have multiple businesses and you have therefore multiple Xero accounts, you may also have another Hubdoc account set up. So what you can also do is follow along with what I'm doing about now. If, however, you are a new business owner and this is a new Xero account, what you need to do is click on I'm new to Hubdoc and set it up that way. So we'll follow along as though we're a practice company or we have multiple businesses. So we click on I already have an account, and then what it asks us to do is either sign into Hubdoc as our email address, or we can sign into Hubdoc using our Xero account. I typically use the Xero connection because then I know the two are connected, but it doesn't really matter because our practice email address is the same whether I sign in with Xero or sign in with Hubdoc separately. So I'm going to click on sign in with Xero, and then it will say all of the companies that we have possible to be connected to a Hubdoc. So I have blanked these out, but basically if you've got multiple accounts in Xero, you will then have a list of these multiple accounts, and you just want to search for the organization that you want to connect to. So I then find my specific company using the search engine and then click on that company. Then you need to click allow access, and then what it will do, Hubdoc will then connect to your Xero account and connect the two accounts together whilst also creating your new Hubdoc. It will then say, whilst we're finishing setup, we now need a specific email address for your Hubdoc account. So something to bear in mind, this needs to be unique per Hubdoc account. So for example, my business, this one is in Swindon, and therefore my email address needs to be, for example, burtonsacademy@swindon.co.uk. But if my other company is also in Bristol, then it will be burtonsacademy@bristol.co.uk. I would not be able to use the same email address for both of those companies on Hubdoc because it needs to be a unique email address. That's just a requirement of Hubdoc. If you try and do that, it basically won't set it up. So we type in our client email address, and then what you can do is, again, as a practice, we can then send the user an invite from here and click send email to client. Alternatively, we can give them access at a later point and add other users as well. So again, right now, what we're going to do is we're going to just tick that box and send the client a notification and then create new organization. Once set up, Hubdoc will show you one invoice as a already example, so you can walk through that and see how you could use Hubdoc and how it works already. So this isn't going to be an invoice that gets put into your Xero account, but it is there for you to just try and have a play and figure out how Hubdoc works. And there you have it. Your Hubdoc account is now set up and you're good to connect your invoices through Hubdoc into your Xero account. I do hope this video was helpful. Like and subscribe and follow along for more helpful tips. And don't forget to follow along for more Hubdoc series coming up soon. See you at the next one.